guys, I'm Mr. C. Today's episode is going to be on prime factorization. For those of you that forgot what a prime number is a number that can only be divided by one or itself. Factorization, well, those are factors, and factors are just numbers that make up products. So we're going to be taking numbers and breaking it down into factors that are only prime numbers. So let's get started with an example. Our first example is going to be 24. Well, we got to think of numbers that 24 are divided by. 24 is even, so the first one is super simple. It's going to be 2. And we got 12 times 2. Well, 12's not prime, so let's break that down even further. What do we get? Well, we can get 2 again, and then 6. 6 isn't prime, so we're going to get 2 times 3. Now all we have left are prime numbers, and I go ahead and circle them. That way we can get them all together for our answer. So we're going to put them all. We get 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now the chances are your teacher doesn't want to see your answer that way. They're going to want it in what's called exponent form. Quite simple. We're going to have 3 times 2, and now we just count up how many numbers we have. In this case, we have 2's. We have 3 2's. 1, 2, 3 2's. So 3 times 2 to the third power. And that's our answer for that one. Also, just so you know, probably not going to be on your test or anything ever, but this is what is called a factor tree. And we're going to be using factor trees anytime we're doing factoring. Let's go ahead and dive right into another example, shall we? We have 125. All right, 125, well, that's not even, but it does end in 5, so any number that ends in 5 can be divided by 5. So 125 divided by 5, and we get 25 times 5. Yeah, that's really ugly, but that's a 2. All right, well, 25 is not prime. That can be broken down. So 25, we'll get 5 times 5. 5, 5, and 5, all of those are our prime numbers. And so our answer will be 5 times 5 times 5. But we need it in exponent form. So what do you guys think? We're going to have 5 raised to the what? That's right, 3. There's that answer. Let's consider another example. Let's consider the number 228. All right, so we got it a little bit bigger than before. 228, well, it's an even number, so what can we divide it by? That's right, 2. So we'll get 114 times 2. All right, same thing, 114 is even. So it's 2, and that'll be 2 times 57. Well, now we got a 57. 57 is not even, so we can't just divide it by 2. So we'll try 3 next up. And here we'll get 19 times 3. So can 19 be divided any further? Is 19 prime? 19 is a prime number. So go ahead and circle our primes, and then our answer is 19 times 3 times 2 times 2. But we got to put it in exponent form, right? So it's 19 times 3 times 2 to the what? Yeah, it's 2, or squared. There's that right answer right there. Thanks for watching the video on prime factorization. I'll expand on this into some other things because you actually need to be able to build on this for some other stuff you're going to do in some of your other math classes. Please feel free to go ahead and leave any comment or question you might have. And if you have something that you want me to do or make a video out of, send me your homework. I'll do a problem straight off your homework. That's it. Thanks for watching.